Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make an Asian-style cold noodle with shrimp and veggies in sesame sauce. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is available in description underneath the video. Mirin and sesame paste are both available in Asian grocery stores. Crack eggs first. Add a quarter teaspoon each of sugar and salt, then beat well. Heat pan, then add 1 tablespoon oil. At medium heat, pan fry eggs into omelette. Scoop out and refrigerate for 20 minutes. Corn and edamame bean. Boil a pot of water, then blanch edamame bean for 1 minute. Scoop out and drain well. Same procedures for the corn. Cut zucchini into strips. Peel the carrot and shred into thin strips. Boil a pot of water and cook noodles for 1 minute or until it's softened. Rinse noodles with cold water, then drain well. Wash, peel, and devein the shrimps. Wipe dry, then marinate the shrimps with a quarter teaspoon each of salt and pepper for 5 minutes. Cut the cold omelette into strips. Mix the sesame sauce now. Here is the sesame dressing, sesame paste, soy sauce, mirin, chili sauce, and sesame oil. Mix together. Heat pan and add 1 tablespoon oil again. At high heat, pan fry each side of shrimp for 1 minute. Scoop out. Place noodle into a bigger bowl. Loosen the noodles. Add half of the sesame sauce into the noodles. Arrange the toppings onto the noodles in sections. Arrange the shrimps on neatly. Sprinkle sesame seed on. Serve the noodles with the rest of sesame sauce. The yummy cold noodle with shrimp and veggies in sesame sauce is now ready to serve. Enjoy!